What's up, plant lovers? I want to do a quick series of a few short videos highlighting some of the plants I'm really looking forward to growing in my garden this summer. Let's get into it. So hydrangea may be America's favorite shrub. So when a new interspecies cultivar comes to the market, that's a big deal. And I'm happy to be showing you guys something called Fairytrail Brides. This is a brand new type of hydrangea that is just now hitting the US markets. Now what makes this so special is what's called a cascading hydrangea. So as the plant reaches its full maturity of about 4 foot tall and 4 foot wide, the stems will start to gracefully arch over the sides of either the container or in the ground wherever you may be growing it. That opens up whole new applications to add hydrangeas to your garden, whether it's hanging baskets, elevated pots and urns on your patios, or along a retaining wall or a slope in your garden. Now you can have more hydrangeas in more places than ever before. And its lace cap style flowers are oh so heavenly, attracting eyes and pollinators alike. Winter hardy and long-lived are just a couple more qualities about this plant that make these true winners for your garden. So if you are looking to add some of these beautiful plants to your gardens this summer, check out my family's website, robertasgardens.net, where you can find all of these plants and many more innovative, brand new cultivars that are just reaching gardeners from around the globe. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for all of our weekly, sometimes daily updates, bringing more plants into our lives. Catch you guys soon. Ciao.